everything is part of a symbiotic mathematical structure. Even the things we can't see are a complex composition of information and codependent interrelations. To utilize it and develop, we need to observe, understand, and optimize, but also respect the planet to whom we owe it all. Construction and manufacturing have never been more efficient. However, there is still a few miles to a greener finish line. Businesses everywhere are exploring new ways to optimize and decarbonize their workflows. At Symetri, we identify where our technologies can make a difference to your exact line of business. We want you to design smarter, produce smarter, grow smarter, and work smarter to build a better world. Technology is crucial. People are just as important. Symetri's international network of experts collaborates across borders to ensure you have access to the competencies you need when you need it. Whether it's advisory services, software, support, or implementation of new technologies and work practices, Symetri enables you to accelerate your digital transformation. Leave your mark on the world, but not your carbon footprint. Work smarter with Symetri.